Okay, so in example 1, we have a quarter of a circle is 20 inches long, and it's 24 inches from the center of the circle, and we're asked to find the radius. So we're going to use some information we just learned. Let's see if I can draw a circle first of all. All right, so there is my circle. Move it over a little bit. And we are going to draw a chord. And that's 20 inches long. Then I'm going to have the center of my circle, and it says that the chord is 24 inches from the center of the circle. So that's the shortest distance. That would be the perpendicular distance. All right, and then we do want to find how big the radius is. Understand, if this is perpendicular, we could say it's like part of a radius, and that it would then bisect this chord. Now, obviously, my drawing's a little bit off, so the whole thing was 10. I'm sorry, the whole thing was 20, so this would be 10, this would be 10, and we know this distance here from the center to the chord was 24. So it looks a little hinky, but you get it. We're trying to find a radius, so all we have to do here is draw in a radius. You could use Pythagorean theorem, which is awesome. Pythagorean theorem, you have a right triangle. Pythagorean theorem always works. Maybe you notice this is a triple family. It is the 5, 12, 13 triple family. So then you know that the radius would have to be 26 inches. Again, could you use Pythagorean theorem and take, say, 10 squared plus 24 squared equals the radius squared? Absolutely. This is a little bit quicker. Remembering your triples, the 5, 12, 13 would come into play. Okay?